Kimberly. I am a certified Bio-Energy and sound therapy practitioner and founder of Rays of Life, a wellness practice that brings beauty to your life through unique soundscape experiences. My passion is to support others on their wellness journey by offering tools that promote deep relaxation, emotional clarity, and inner peace. So whether that's through in-person sound baths or digital experiences, I deeply believe in the power of sound to awaken healing and transformation. Over the past several months, I have been using the Solu New Origin Waveform, or N.O.W, tone therapy system, and I have personally found it to be a beautiful way to feel more focused, peaceful, and grounded, even on the busiest of days. I've also been using their Tone Stream, Solu's live streaming app, and it's been extraordinary in helping me concentrate while working on projects at my computer. Because of the powerful results I've experienced, I created the Solu video series to help you discover how this technology works, why it's different, and how you can integrate it into your own life. So if you're looking for natural support for stress and anxiety, more focus, or assistance with meditation, or you simply want to feel more centered, I invite you to watch the full series. And when you're ready to purchase your own tone therapy system, be sure to use my affiliate link and enter the code RAYS10 at checkout to receive a 10% discount. And don't forget to also view my free companion resource guide for extra tips, research, and inspiration. You'll find everything in the description box below. Now let's dive in. Today, I would like to introduce and share with you a little about Solu's New Origin Waveform, or N.O.W, tone therapy system. The tone therapy system is comprised of these two small compact speakers that are designed to play randomized sequences of tones for only 3 minutes, bringing about quick and effective stress and anxiety relief and better focus. All you simply do is press the button on the bottom on both speakers, and the tones begin to play. And toward the end of the 3 minutes, the tones will gradually fade away. And you just simply hold them in your hands, place them next to your head, place them at different places next to your body. Sometimes it's even nice to feel the subtle vibrations that come from the speakers. And then you just simply relax for the 3 minutes. The tones coming from each of the speakers are always different, so you can never anticipate what's going to be playing, which is nice. And so discover for yourself the simplest way to relieve stress and anxiety and to open to deep peace and clarity. All you do is simply listen twice a day for 3 minutes. Solu's Tone Therapy New Origin Waveform technology quickly helps you to be in the present moment with peace and ease. And making this a daily routine practice is a lovely way to bring more beauty to your life, and I would encourage you to give it a try. Just listen to these tones for a few seconds. If you would like to learn more about Solu's New Origin Waveform tone therapy system, check out my free resource guide located at my website at raysoflifesoundtherapy.com and click on the Sound Therapy Offerings or Learn More menu options, and you'll find the N.O.W Tone Therapy System link. My Solu video series is being released over the next few weeks and will be available in a separate playlist, so be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified of the next release. And remember, if you are ready to purchase your tone therapy system, use my affiliate link and enter the discount code RAISE10 at checkout to receive your 10% discount. In the following video, I'll walk you through how to use the tone therapy system as a powerful tool for meditation and inner stillness. The complete playlist is linked right here. Many blessings.